Whispers turned to shouts, then to a collective gasp across the global scientific community. The recently unveiled telemetry from the enigmatic 3I/Atlas experiment, a venture shrouded in both anticipation and deep cosmic mystery, didn't merely send shockwaves. It unleashed a torrent of alarm that reverberated from the sterile halls of research institutions to the hushed chambers of government observatories. Within hours, frantic, unscheduled meetings were convened, drawing together the brightest minds in astrophysics, electromagnetic theory, and planetary science. The catalyst? A torrent of data streaming in from 3I/Atlas, revealing colossal, unprecedented energy surges, pulses of such magnitude and bewildering complexity that they defied every known law and model. What force, they wondered, could unleash such raw, untamed power from the depths of space? The most chilling projection emerging from these high-stakes discussions was a dire warning. This extraordinary cosmic anomaly, still bafflingly opaque, carried the potential to plunge our entire planet into a period of temporary global blindness, an 8-day eclipse of human vision. Imagine, for a moment, a world suddenly bereft of sight, shrouded in an enforced, silent darkness. A prospect both terrifying and profoundly disorienting. With the clock ticking, an urgent chorus of caution has risen from the scientific vanguard. Teams globally are now operating under red alert, meticulously scrutinizing every incoming data packet, every spectral anomaly, desperately scrambling, a truly apt word, to decode this cosmic enigma before its potential, catastrophic implications fully manifest. The race is on, not just for understanding, but for survival. But what, precisely, is this enigmatic 3I/Atlas, this harbinger of potential global darkness? And why has its latest revelation catalyzed such widespread panic? At its core, 3I/Atlas stands as humanity's ambitious sentinel, an advanced deep space observation experiment meticulously crafted to peer into the very fabric of the cosmos. Its primary mission, to meticulously chart and decipher the complex tapestry of electromagnetic pulses and the relentless bombardment of cosmic radiation that permeate the interstellar void. It's an endeavor to understand the universe's most fundamental forces, often invisible yet immensely powerful. Yet, the recent recordings from this cutting-edge apparatus have unveiled not just anomalies, but distortions so profoundly extreme, so utterly aberrant, that leading scientists, veterans of countless cosmic mysteries, have solemnly declared them unprecedented in modern research history. This isn't just a deviation. It's a statistical impossibility, a data signature unlike anything humanity has ever encountered. Even within carefully controlled, shielded test environments here on Earth, replicate patterns derived from the 3I/Atlas data have begun to induce disturbing visual disruptions. Imagine flickering lights, warping perspectives, sudden blinding flashes, a tangible assault on perception. This alarming feedback has ignited the gravest fears that direct, unfiltered exposure to the true cosmic source of these emissions could indeed subject human beings to temporary, yet utterly debilitating, vision loss. A collective, anxious gaze from across the globe is now fixed on the tireless researchers, locked in a desperate race against the cosmic clock. Their mission, to decipher the bewildering mechanics of this emergent cosmic phenomenon, a puzzle of astronomical proportions that could redefine our understanding of the universe. The genesis of these sudden, powerful energy bursts remains cloaked in profound mystery. Theories, however, are coalescing and diverging, ranging from the truly exotic, perhaps the aftermath of a hypernova in a distant galaxy, or the echo of colliding black holes, to the more unsettling hypothesis of previously undetected, intricate interactions within the very fabric of our electromagnetic spectrum, forces slumbering just beyond our sensory reach. Are we witnessing the birth of a new celestial entity, or simply an awakening of forces we never knew existed? The peril is palpable, and the warnings from seasoned experts are stark. Even a fleeting, unshielded glimpse of the raw, unadulterated transmissions from 3I/Atlas could overwhelm the human visual system. This isn't just a warning about discomfort. It's a grave caution against immediate sensory overload, severe eye strain, or indeed, the very temporary blindness we fear globally, unless the most stringent, specialized precautions are rigorously observed. Consequently, regulatory authorities and public health agencies worldwide have swiftly issued advisories, urging populations to strictly limit direct exposure to any unverified, live feeds purporting to show 3i/Atlas data. Simultaneously, the digital ether of social media platforms has erupted into a chaotic symphony of warnings, misinformation, and genuine calls for vigilance, underscoring the immediate, widespread impact of this cosmic revelation. What began as a surge of cosmic curiosity, a collective wonder about the universe, has abruptly transmuted into a pervasive, urgent caution. Humanity now finds itself standing at the precipice of one of the most profoundly unusual and potentially transformative scientific events witnessed in living memory, an episode that challenges our perceptions and threatens our senses. Therefore, stay intently tuned for forthcoming updates. For behind the scenes, dedicated scientists, fueled by coffee and a burning imperative, are working nonstop, relentlessly pursuing every lead, every mathematical thread, to peel back the layers of enigma shrouding 3i/Atlas, and, crucially, to avert a looming global sensory crisis that could forever alter our experience of reality. As this extraordinary narrative unfolds, we implore you to follow the latest, authenticated developments closely. But remember, the journey into the heart of this enigma must be undertaken with prudence. Protect your precious vision, even as you bear witness to what is rapidly becoming one of the most astonishing, perplexing, and undeniably viral cosmic discoveries in the annals of modern science. The universe, it seems, still holds blinding secrets,